Color is a very prominent aspect of filmmaking, and it has been so for the entire history of cinema. With this session, we decided to focus on Technicolor, a color system that has really revolutionized the use of color in the film medium. Our guest for the session on color in film will be Michael Pogorzelski. Michael is the director of the Film Archive at the Academy of Motion Picture Arts and Science, and he is responsible of really reviving the Technicolor reference prints collections and creating compilation programs to be shown. Seeing the Technicolor reference collection in projection is really a unique experience. These prints were never meant to be shown to a public, which makes the program of This is Film very special. We will see prints from the 50s and 60s that were never shown to an audience and were held by film studios at the time as a reference to make new prints. Color in general is a very important part of the technology, the practice and the art of film, and that's why we think it's important to focus on it.